working on the S10 today. We're gonna switch gears. We're waiting on parts to come in after our input shaft mess. Went to the hardware store earlier and picked up some 5/16 all thread for some carburetor studs. We're gonna be hanging the second plate kit of nitrous onto the intake. Got Madison helping me today. You guys will see her a little bit in the video. She's not big on talking or anything, but she'll be in here. But we're gonna get started, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Be a little bit different style video. I'm gonna try a little bit more editing, try to learn a few things on this video. So you guys let me know if you like it or not, and hopefully it goes good. Slipping almost. Snug these up a little bit more. Just wiring out some 5/16 brake line for the transmission lines. I've got one made up already. We're gonna try to come straight off and mount under the floor with a really nice cooler. I've got the cooler outside draining. Alrighty, so here's where we're at on the standalone nitrous side. We're gonna put the tank somewhere in this general area. I've got to get this back to George. We held off on welding feet on it for now. Look at those slick beads. I held off on that, and when I had the tank, these were kind of laid out here to begin with, about 1 inch off the bottom. And that'll work out because in this cell right here, I'm going to put probably the most potent fuel that money can buy in this. It's going to be a mix between bald eagle piss and 116 or some shit, whatever burn a piston the quickest. And up front, I've got a stack of hefty plates, styrofoam kind. I've got this makeshift throttle bracket that I'm still going to run because, you know, whatever. I've got more solenoids than I have cylinders. I got to get some 5/16 nuts. I'm a freaking idiot. I was trying to use the fine thread nuts. I'll show what I did wrong. I bought 5/16 all thread, which is right. And right here's my load studs. Son of a bitch. Right here. You've got coarse and fine. I was trying to use that fine nut and it wouldn't work. But I'll get some nuts. Oh yeah, I've got this bracket over here that I got to weld onto that fuel cell. This one. That squeezes my fuel pump, and we'll probably just mount the fuel pump on the cell, to be honest. I don't know what I did with it right here. We gotta do something with that. Maybe we will, maybe we won't. I don't know yet. But nevertheless, we're gonna try something with it. So that's where we're kind of at. Got the oil thread still in the vise. Still got to get one of these bad units. Really, this winter has been the first winter that I had actually took my time, not by choice. I worked a lot of overtime this winter, and I've slowly ordered parts over the time. We're in the process of trying to find and buy a house right now, so I'm not trying to break the bank on building race cars this year, but I have took my time and done a lot of side work for people, and we've managed to get a few parts together. A few parts that we really needed to be competitive. From what I hear, 2810 5s are getting really hard to find. I've got a pretty decent set over here that I'm going to be using, but if you race like I do and just go out first round, you'll never wear them out. So that's the plan. There those units are. They've not been used since it killed my axle in the 10 boat. So far we've like I keep saying, I've had the truck since I was like a sophomore in high school. It had the 1.9 liter 6-cylinder Izu motor in it. I got it. First thing I did was put a small block in it. It was a bone stock 350, nothing done to it. First motor I ever put together, you know. I built it all by myself. I had no idea what I was doing. I still don't know what I'm doing, but I've learned along the way. And now we've got a really, really nice piece LS in it, truck motor. We're gonna have a nice power glide, and now we got the Ford 8.8. Got a really nice cage in the truck. I started with freaking nothing. When I got the truck, if I can find a picture of when I got it, I need to put it up. It was sitting beside the creek, and it had water weeds this high in the bed, and it was just a mess. I think the truck was $125 when it was got. So I got a $125 body, and we turned it into something that's presentable somewhat. But like I said, this will be a different style video. Could be 2 days. I don't know. I've not looked and seen how much we got, how much footage we actually got. But I'm gonna try a few different tricks I've been wanting to try a video on. If you guys don't like it, let me know. And like I said, 200 subscribers. We're doing it. We're doing it. Keep sharing the videos. And I hope to see you guys in the next one. So.